Today we're going to be talking all about the Gecko Science KBox that I got a chance to play around with at Mining Disrupt at Altair Tech's booth. But before I get too deep into the video, I want to let you know I'm going to be giving away a Tangem Wallet in this video. So if you watch the video and follow the instructions, you have a chance to win a Tangem Wallet. If you're looking to pick a Tangem Wallet up to store Bitcoin or Caspa or any other altcoins, I got a discount code GreaterGood. It'll get you 10% off. You can use the link in the description. It'll apply it automatically. But if you can type on a keyboard for 3 seconds, you can get 10% off of a Tangem Wallet. There you go. Let's go ahead and get into the video and talk to Chris about this really cool KBox from Gecko Science. Hey guys, I'm at Mining Disrupt 2026. I'm at the Altair Tech booth. I am with Chris and we're gonna play some Doom on this Gecko Science KBox. This is a Bitcoin miner, but they've got it set up where you can use the user interface to play Doom. So let's go ahead and see if we can unlock it. It's like an Easter egg. And you can unlock it from the UI. It's so cool. I love playing Doom. I don't know about you guys, back in the day, I played all the time. Absolutely. So let me try and see if I'm a little rusty, but let's see if we can get through some levels here. So this is a 22 terahash.
22 terahash, about 320 watts.
320 watts.
14.6, 14.7 joules per T.
That's very nice efficiency. So this is also a little bit of a special unit. Like these are bespoke, handmade. They're not mass produced. So there's like kind of a little bit of urgency if you guys are interested in getting one of these. He said right now they have 10 in stock, and then about 50 a month. There's a man that makes these 155 screws to put this together. This is a special machine. It's not just a mass-produced machine. It's a lot of fun. So I'm gonna play a little Doom, and then if there's anything else you guys want to add, or if you guys want to like make fun of my gaming ability, then that's fine too. Just tear me up if you want.
So cool thing about the Gecko Science KBox, it does have an integrated power supply, so you don't have that extra power brick lying around for you to trip over, fall over, kids to knock over, anything like that. It's got 28 different LEDs, RGB settings, so you can change those. And if you notice, every time he shoots, those lights go off on the miner.
Yeah.
Which is a pretty cool little feature. It can utilize Wi-Fi. It's dual band Wi-Fi, so either one 2.4 or 5 hertz, or Ethernet if you'd rather have Ethernet. There's a couple different power modes from 11 terahash all the way up to 22 terahash. There's also a dual mining feature that you can enable in the settings, which will allow you to shift your hash rate from, say you want to do 2 or 3 terahash solo mining, and then 20 terahash pool mining just to regroup some stats and stack some non-KYC stats.
Nice, nice. I clicked off the screen. I'm still alive. Got the brass knuckles out now.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Just spin and shoot, and see what you hit. Yeah, this is fun. So
the old cheat codes work.
The old cheat codes work. So if you want to go God mode and just blast through all the levels, you can go for that.
Yep, definitely can. They all work. We had a guy entering all the cheats earlier today. I don't remember them all.
I don't
remember them all.
I don't remember them all, but I will look them up. I'm sure if I ask Rock or look on Google, I'll find God mode.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So if you guys are looking to pick one of these up, I got a link in the description. Check them out. They got tons of other great gear here. I just wanted to feature this for now because it's just so cool. I just love this. But they got Can-Am products. We got bit axes, things like that. So check out Altair Tech and play some Doom. I want one of these. Like I said, 10 available right now, about 50 a month. So pick one up if you want to get one.
Like I said, they do have 28 different settings in there. You can do a nice fireplace RGB if you want.
Yeah.
Stars and stripes where it looks like American flag, kind of little patriotic theme in there.
I love that. And if your wife complains about it, put it on the fire mode, the candle mode, turn it around. It looks like an ambiance, Yep. But then when she's gone, you flip it around and you play Doom and you watch that thing light up every time you shoot somebody. It's so much fun. I love it. So thanks, man. Thanks for the time.
Absolutely.
And like I said, links in the description if you guys want to pick one of these up. I had a blast messing with this thing at Mining Disrupt. You guys saw, I literally had a blast. I was blasting these aliens in Doom. I love that game. So I also had a lot of fun tinkering with this thing and talking to the Altair Tech team about all of the special features and all of the time and effort and energy that has gone into building these. Like I said, there's bespoke machines. They're being hand built. These are not mass produced. Look at how beefy this aluminum heatsink is. You can tell the quality when you see this in person. This thing was very quiet. and very sleek looking in person. So this is the perfect home miner for someone that wants something that looks cool on their shelf. It's not intrusive at all. It's very quiet. Let's talk about some of the specs. Some of them we went over, Chris went over in the video, but I just want to reiterate some of them. 22 terahash at the maximum performance mode, 322 watts, 14.6 joules per terahash, 47 decibels, very efficient for a small home miner like this, 14.2 joules per terahash, 242 watts at the medium hash rate of 17 terahash, low hash rate mode, only 178 watts, 11 terahash, 16 joules per terahash, very quiet in this mode, very cool. Also smart OLED display. I didn't realize it while I was playing Doom on the screen, but it was also showing up here. So it looks like, from what I can tell, you can play Doom on the built-in display. And you guys saw when I was shooting, it was lighting up the LEDs, very cool. But if you wanted it in chill mode, like I said in the video while I was talking to Chris, this is the embers mode, like a candle. So if your wife doesn't like the LED shining in her face, turn it around, have it like pointed at the wall and kind of make it look like a candle or like a fireplace is kind of going. And it looked really nice in person. It doesn't do it justice when you see it on the screen like this. Pause. Let's do that Tangem Wallet giveaway. So we'll be giving away a 2-card Tangem set, and I need you to just put hashtag Tangem in a comment. I need you to like the video. I need you to subscribe to my channel. I'll check for all of those things. And this giveaway is for US only, unfortunately, just because of tariffs and all these other issues going on right now with shipping things out of the country. So hashtag Tangem, US only. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about the Kbox and Altair Tax booth. So let's get back to the video. Very cool miner, tons of cool features, very efficient, and I love that it has different options to dial down the electricity if you wanted a little bit lower output. I also love that it has Ethernet and Wi-Fi, because in the wintertime, I like moving these around to different rooms. I'll probably put something like this in my daughter's room in the wintertime. So Wi-Fi makes it super easy to do that. Most of the time, I'd probably have it hooked up to Ethernet and solo mining, hopefully hitting a block, like maybe a Bitcoin Cash block. And if you're really lucky, hit a Bitcoin block. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a ton of fun making it with Chris and the team at Altair Tech. I want to thank them again for their time. And if you are interested in checking out one of these machines, use the link in the description. It helps support the channel. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good. The greater good.